it's Mayor. I'm really sorry I fell off of my video posting game this past week because I think I was filming so much that I burnt myself out a little bit and I really just need to take a break and hang by the pool, that kind of thing. Oh, but also I've been filming some ThatGirlMair videos, so you guys have that to look forward to. And I promise I'll get back to my regular posting schedule this week. In fact, there's a new reaction video coming out tomorrow, but for today, this is an original Featherbell comedy sketch, and I hope you guys like it. It's called The Sneeze.
There you go.
Okay.
Very impressive.
Yeah, that was good.
Oh, well, thank
I didn't
you.
know you were that flexible.
I think I'm gonna get some water. You guys want anything to drink?
I'll take some water.
You know what? Actually, I'm good.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? That sounds amazing.
Copy that.
Wow, that was actually really smart. I didn't know you were smart.
Oh, excuse me.
So, I'm actually out of water, but here's 2 cups with ice. Just wait it out.
Thank you.
Chaz. You okay?
Yeah. No, I'm good. Carlos.
Yeah?
Nothing. Yeah, just you.
You okay?
Yeah, no, I'm good. I was just checking in on you, buddy.
Okay.
You good? Do you have allergies?
No.
Okay. I guess whose turn was it?
I think it was your turn.
Actually, it was Mary's, and she got cat stretch.
All right. Let's do this, guys.
Wow, she's really letting it go.
Yeah. There you go.
Voice of an angel.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Scales.
Okay, I'll go first.
Okay. Yeah.
There we go. Okay, your turn.
Sorry, I messed up.
Oh,
It's
it's
alright.
okay.
I'll
No,
do it,
that's all right.
you know.
Just
One
not
more
again.
time.
No more.
Okay.
You do that one more time, I might quit. Who knows?
He's not kidding. He's threatened 3 times.
Ooh, yes.
Oh, I thought that was really good, you guys.
Honestly.
Oh.
Amazing. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I have to take this. I know this is unprofessional.
Oh, that's
I'm
right.
sorry, guys. Just
Okay.
hang
Yeah,
on.
no,
Okay,
take your
yeah.
time. Yeah.
Take your time.
Oh. Beep.
Sound.
It's fun. Music, right? It's fun. Yeah.
So how you been?
Good. It's been great. Yeah, it's been good. You know, I got the diamond last week.
Oh,
so-
you got a diamond.
No,
For
no,
who?
no.
That's-
I got the diamond in Overwatch, the video game. Yeah.
Well, that's
It's.
definitely,
I mean,
that's definitely.
hold on.
cool.
Ooh, yeah. So Overwatch is like a video game, and then you.
What was that?
What was what?
That.
Whoa.
You know.
Whoa.
know what?
Okay.
You
I don't
know
know
what
what is wrong with you. I don't want to give out the wrong energy right now. Okay, you need
You
to
know what
calm
you-
I'm sorry,
down.
guys. I have news. It's my agent. I booked the Jesus shampoo commercial.
You stop it. No. Stop it right. Oh my
Yeah.
god. Oh my god. What did I tell you? I told you you were gonna get it.
I had no idea.
It's fine. You're so happy.
What?
Really, Mayor?
I know.
Unless it's about you, you don't care. I'm Mayor. I book
No,
everything.
it's
I don't care.
I
I
get
do
it.
one job.
I get it.
Congratulations.
Why are you like
I
this?
thought you booked the commercial. No, don't cry at me. No, just, don't leave
I
again.
can't do it when she's like this. No,
No,
no.
you always...
Sorry.
Unbelievable. Chess, come here. It's fine. I'm sorry.
Okay, he's doing it on purpose.
He's definitely doing it on
my God, I thought it was
you
crazy.
can hear that,
Okay,
right?
yeah.
Guys. We're in the middle of watching a TV show. Can we please keep it down?
I don't think we
Please.
can.
Are you serious?
Actually.
Oh my
No.
God, you-
Okay,
you're
look,
a
I am not mad. I'm just disappointed. All right?
But why do you
Just-
do it? Like,
just
why
answer
do you
us.
do
We just
that?
have to
On
figure out
watching
why-
the film,
Weird.
please. Can we please watch the film?
Okay, it's cops, but whatever.
Yeah.
It's a TV show.
Disrespect.
Jesus.
The disrespect in this.
Carlos!
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Mare. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.